You want to start your YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face. I get it. I was right there. The first time I ever tried making a faceless YouTube video, I had no clue what I was doing. But once I figured out a simple formula, everything changed. Now here's the crazy part. You don't even need a camera, a mic, or your voice, and your videos can still be a banger back to back, and you can earn faster with your videos. In this video, I will show you exactly how I create faceless videos using free tools. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do before you create your first faceless YouTube video is decide what niche you want to go into. You cannot come in today, go into prayer niche, the next day you're talking about secular music, next day you're talking about folktale. What exactly do you want your audience to know you for? You have to choose a niche. But just in case you can't decide what niche you want to go into, simple. Use ChatGPT, put the prompt, I want to start a faceless YouTube channel and I want you to give me 10 profitable faceless channel niche using YouTube SEO. So after you have decided the niche you would like to go into, you're going to ask it to give you a list of suggestions of names for your faceless channel. These names should be captivating, not just a regular name, but that which will make your audience pause and ponder. You can see I'm starting a faceless YouTube channel and I need 10 to 15 catchy original name ideas that are short, memorable and intriguing. Names that can stop a scroll, spark curiosity and fit my storytelling niche depending on what niche you want to do. Continue by telling it, avoid names that are too generic. I want creativity, brand-worthy suggestions that I can confidently build a channel around. Give me the best. I'll leave every prompt I use in the description below this video, so it will be easy for you to copy, paste and reuse. But if you're getting value from this video right now, please do well to like, subscribe and share to everyone who might need this info. It will give you a couple of name suggestions. Select the one that best suits you. But if you're not okay with the names you see, you can regenerate. After you have selected your name, head over to your channel and put up your channel name. An account can have multiple channels, so feel free to open multiple channels if you feel like. Next thing to do is to ask ChatGPT to give you 5 to 10 story ideas and title related to your channel. Let's say we took narrate and vanish, yes? Then so you tell it, my channel is called Narrate and Vanish and I want to start strong. Can you give me 5 to 10 unique creative story ideas along with powerful titles that will fit a faceless storytelling channel? The story should be captivating from the first sentence, have a bit of mystery, emotion or drama and work well for voiceover narrations. Think viral worthy, stuff that makes people stop scrolling and listening till the very end. I'm going to drop the prompt in the description box below. It's going to give you 5 to 10 story ideas and title. Then you tell it to narrow it down to the best 2. Out of these 2, you select the best that suits you. Next is to tell it to give you a story for the title you have selected. You can tell it, I need you to write me a 1000 word script for a faceless narration video that's dripping with suspense, packed with emotional twists and structure to keep viewers glued from start to finish. And then you tell it some other things which you like your story to include. I'm going to drop the prompt in the description below, so just check and then add. You can do well to add things to your own prompt. Once it has given you the story, you copy it to your Google Docs or you copy it to your phone's notepad, paste it and then remove excess space in the write-up, because if there is excess space while the AI is speaking, because we are going to give it to a voice AI, so if there's excess space in the write-up, it's going to be silent for a couple of times. So you just have to take away all the space, leave a little space for the parts where there is suspense. Then in order to make the editing easy for you, tell ChatGPT to write the story in plain text without any formatting like bold, italics or hashtag. The story should be suitable for a text-to-speech AI to read aloud. Please use only plain text without any special characters or markup. So this will help you while editing it. And when you give it to the AI, there will be nothing like, because if there is something like hashtag, the AI is going to say hashtag and that will not be nice. So after you've edited your work on your notepad, you take it to CapCut. Go to CapCut, click on New Project. You can select whatever file you want to select, add it. and then you click on text, go to text to audio, put the file, the story you copied, click it. So you select what you want to use. You don't even need to have proof to do this because there are some voices that are free here. Let's make use of mentor. You allow it to load.
She vanished on a raw.
Let's use the storytelling.
She vanished on a eye.
Okay, I think I prefer that. Next. And then you allow it to load to the server. So here it is. It has been uploaded to our video.
She vanished on a rainy Tuesday night, 10 hours later.
Alright, so here my video is speaking. So all I have to do is to mute these videos volume. What you do, you just click here on the video and then you go to volume and take it to the list.
She vanished on a rainy Tuesday night,
so that
10 hours later.
Only
her phone rang when Emily answered.
AI.
She spoke just one sentence into the dark, empty line. I see you. And then silence. The next morning, the city awoke to headlines screaming. Journalist disappears after midnight call.
So now let's
Emily
go
had
and
vanished
generate
without
our
a trace.
pictures.
Her apartment was untouched.
Before we go ahead to generate our images, what are the kind of faceless videos you can make? You can make faceless videos using AI generated images, real life pictures, realistic stock footage, animated text, abstract visuals, icons and graphics. As long as you don't have to show your face, you can use all these. But where are you going to get the pictures for your faceless videos? Take note, you cannot just take pictures from anywhere and use. You have to use pictures that are copyright free, that don't have any copyright infringements. You can get these pictures from Creative Commons, Pexels, Pixabay, FreePic. While to get icons and animated graphics, you can use Canva. You can also use Canva to create your animated text videos. But for this video, I'll teach you how to create AI images for your faceless video from an absolutely free site. And if you're getting value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and type so much value on the comment section, as this will inspire me to keep dropping more value. So before I create my image, I usually tell ChatGPT to give me the prompt I will give to the image generator. I'll come to my notepad where I pasted the script. I'll copy part of the script and I'll go to ChatGPT and tell it I want to create a faceless video and I want you to give me a prompt for an image prompt. Give me an image prompt for, I will now put what I copied for that scene and then allow ChatGPT to generate an image prompt before I'll take it to the image generator and get my image. So let's wait for ChatGPT to give me the image prompt. You can see this our prompt is in 3 scenes. It gave us 3 scenes. The first one is a dimly lit street soaked by a heavy rain on a lonely Tuesday night. A woman's so you divide these prompts now. You take bit by bit and give it to the image generator to get you your image. So I'll take the first one, copy it down to this place. You read your scene and read your story rather and know how it's cut.
Later, a close-up of a trembling hand holding a phone in a dark room, glowing, showing caller ID. The atmosphere is tense and air which will cast. Then, this is the next one. Copy. And then you copy the final one. So it even told you the final frame, the phone close to a woman, so you also copy it. And then we'll go to the image generator. You head over to your Google Chrome and then you type image FX. That is the image generator we'll be using. It's absolutely free. You can actually use ChatGPT to create your images. The only issue is that ChatGPT is limited. If you're not on Pro, it's limited to just, I think, 4 images per day or for some hours. So you cannot use it totally. So when we get here, we'll put our prompt that we took. Okay, first prompt. You remember we copied our prompts, and then you click on this star here and it's going to generate your image. Remember there are 3 images to be generated in that scene we copied. So it has generated the first image for us. It will give you a couple of ideas, just a couple of image ideas. Just swipe and then select the one you feel you are more comfortable with or you like most. I think I like the first one, just that it doesn't have the thunder. And so I think I'll go with the second. Okay, so after you have downloaded, click on this button to download. After you have downloaded it, you go further to create the images, the other images. So I'll do this for the 3 other prompts. Okay, and generate. So this is the next image. We'll swipe and pick what we want and then download our image. After downloading, put our final prompts and then head over to CapCut and edit our video. In case you want an animated video, you can try Whisk. This try Whisk can, when you give it a prompt, it can make that prompt into a video. You tell it what you want, just like the first scene where we had the girl standing by the roadside. We can tell Whisk to make the girl to walk. You can say the girl walking down the road and it's going to make her walk. So this try Whisk does that. You can do that for your own video. So here we have our final picture and then swipe. I think I like the double-faced, the 2 scene. We download and let's head over to CapCut. So it's always advisable if you're using a mobile phone for you to generate your images first, because you can't start a new project without an image. That's why we had to use a random video from my phone. So in order for you to start a new project, you have to have your images ready. So click on new project, click on our image, add it. So let's add it. Let it load. Remember what I told you, you go to text, click on text, go to text to audio, and then generate your voiceover. Okay, so first, done. Pick a voice that you want to use. I think we used the storyteller man. So pick the storyteller man. Where is it? Okay, so it has loaded and so we generated our voiceover. Next, you fill up with the images we have generated. We complete, I think, the phone and then this, add, and then let's play and see.
She vanished on a rainy Tuesday night. 10 hours later, her phone rang when Emily answered. She spoke just 1 sentence into the...
You see, the scene enters every bit of the voice. If maybe she spoke after 1 second, came, let's say, a little bit further, I will click on this image, the phone call image, and then drag it to push it to where the voice, maybe they said she answered a phone call, you shift it so that the voice will be in accordance to the picture we are putting at that point in time. So that's just what you keep doing for every scene. You go to ChatGPT, you copy a scene, you tell ChatGPT to give you an image, and then you can also decide to add effects to make your video a little more interesting. Just go to effects, go to video effects, and then add anything to each image. You can add a nice animation to the entrance. Okay, so the first image, let's use TV on.
She vanished on a rainy.
Okay, and then let's go to the next image, which is this. Add another video effect. Okay, let's use fade in.
Her phone rang.
Okay, so let's watch this from beginning.
She vanished on a rainy Tuesday night. 10 hours later, her phone rang when Emily answered.
Okay, so that's what you can do to make your video lively, not just a plain video, image upon image. You could add effects and make your video come out really fine.
So we've come to the end of this video. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, share and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when I put up my next video. And don't forget to type on the comment section so much value, as this will inspire me to get more value for you.